Joe and Marianne, if you're watching from this channel, turn this video off. Don't watch it, don't listen to it. Come back and watch it tomorrow because I'm about to talk about you behind your back. All good things, of course, so no worries there. All right, friends, let's put forth a little Christmas miracle before Christmas happens. So Joe has had his channel for quite some time. He is extremely talented. He decorates through the seasons. He puts a lot of great thought and effort into his designs, and I am telling you, this man should be way up there in numbers. I don't know how the YouTube algorithm works because he needs to be booted out there in YouTube land so everybody can enjoy his content and get these fabulous ideas. Now, I personally have been watching Joe for years, and when I look for YouTube content creators, I look for people that are genuine, laid back, real, and I get that from him. He's a really nice man. He has a fabulous wife. She's really good at cooking and sharing recipes. She joins in on the videos every now and then, and they're so cute the way they go back and forth talking and about whatever he's working on. And I really love them both. They're wonderful, good people. So in past years, Joe would take out a piece of paper right before Christmas or the holidays were approaching, and he would literally draw out his design ideas for each room. And then he'd go do the family room. He would literally, you'd get to watch him piece the whole room together and really see that drawing come to life. So he's so inspiring. That's all I can say. Just go check him out. Let's send him over 10,000. And maybe if it's a Christmas miracle, we can send him really over the top. Joe and Marianne, I hope you guys don't mind me doing this shout out for you, but you put forth so much time and effort into your design ideas, and I want everybody to go look at your last video because it was amazing the way you trimmed out your windows with lights and Christmas cheer. If you're looking for Christmas cheer and joy and all of that, go over there. All right, friends, I have electricians coming at 8:30, so I got up early, had my coffee, got showered and cleaned up so I could try to get a video out for you. So anyway, I'm going to apologize right off the bat for the way this video is going to be positioned. I have a refrigerator right next to this area that's got to be moved out today, and I've got my daughter came home from college, and I have her suitcases and stuff all right by the stairs. So, pardon me, I've got obstacles in my way. So, but I will take you down when I'm done and show you the whole look. So, you may see this right here. That was in the master bedroom, and I just wanted to add a cozy, lodgy kind of look and feel here across from the family room. So I put this here. I want to conceal this because those are driving me nuts. I still need access to a few of the light switches, so I need to be able to kind of put my arm underneath and get to them. I'm not a fan of that showing. So we're going to conceal, conceal, conceal. Now I'm going to start up here. Right above this, I'm going to hang a shelf. Why? This is going to be a staple piece in my decor where I can conceal that from here on out by hanging a seasonal wreath. So let's get this hung. I had that hanging crooked, so I had to fix it. Now you can see I put a little like wall embellishment above it just because I like it and I want to pull your eye upward. Okay, so now let's address this. I think I want to add a black mirror. Let's see how this all works out. All right, next I have this pretty wreath with holly and pine cones, and it's really pretty. And it's got this red checked ribbon that I found. I found this whole wreath at Wegmans grocery store last year. I don't know if they have them because I haven't been yet. But I'm gonna hang this to conceal that. Next, I ordered a big bag of these bows on Amazon. I'll link them below. Last time I checked, they were all sold out, but you never know. I haven't checked in a week, so they may be back. I don't know. But anyway, I love these. These are wired. It's a wired ribbon, and it's real bendy. I love it. What I thought I would do to dress this candlestick up and give it a Mackenzie-Childs look and feel is place it like that. So it's got some wire on the back, and I'm just going to wrap it around this. Easy peasy. And that's how it looks. Cute, right? Now, I found these candles at Hobby Lobby, so I'm just going to place it on here. I could add a cute little candle ring to add a little bit of texture right here, but I'm going to keep it simple. I have another one, and I'm going to place that right over there. Next up, I have a plate stand, and my daughters found this for me at Target, and it's just a big Christmas tree plate. And so I thought this would look kind of, you know, lodgy looking in a plate stand, sitting right in the center. Next up, I have two of these glittery pine cone little pine trees with, you know, little bows right there. And I'm going to put one on either side of the tree. And there you have it. Simple, festive, and cute for the holiday season. And it served its purpose, concealing a few things. So anyway, I think it's cute. A little lodgy, a little Mackenzie-Childs inspired. Now, down in my stash from last year, I have these iron long candlesticks, and I had tied a check bow on it, and I thought I could set an ornament, you know, just like that. Just add a little more black and white check just for fun, but ultimately I think I'm not going to do it. I'm going to contain myself. What do you guys think? All right, my sweet friends, thank you so much for stopping by and being so patient with me as we undergo this kitchen renovation. So stay tuned, more on this later this week. Mwah! Bye, guys. Oh, and run over to Joe's channel. Don't forget, shh, mom's the word. Go run over there, hit subscribe. Let's send him over 10,000. Let's do it.